We've been talking about it for days. Dangerous cold in the area today, tonight, through tomorrow morning with wind chills down around 20 below zero. And Sunday, a first alert weather day too, because there is the chance of some accumulating snow. Here's a look at our predicted wind chills today at noon. Wind chills down around 25 below zero. We will have a strong northwest wind gusting at times up around 30 miles per hour today. At 5 p.m., wind chills expected to be around 20, 25 below zero. And boy, those wind chills are low as we head throughout the night. Tomorrow morning, some areas 20, 25 below zero wind chills. And well, they improve a little bit in the afternoon, but it is still brutally cold with wind chills in the single digits for us tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at our frostbite risk, and this is what our computer model is saying as far as predicted wind chills at 7 a.m. Friday through Tuesday. And notice today, wind chills down around 25 below, very high risk of frostbite. Tomorrow morning, the wind chill, this is for Lansing, around 20 below, still very high risk for frostbite. Sunday morning, wind chills around 10 below zero, and wind chills are near 20 below again on Monday morning. So it is just day after day of this Arctic air. Look at our hour by hour forecast for today. I mean, you would look at this and say, oh, it's not going to be a bad day, and it's going to be a good day to look out the window at it with a mix of clouds and sun. There might be a stray snow shower, but the bulk of any activity today is closer to Lake Michigan. We go through tonight. We should be partly to mostly cloudy tonight. At least the winds do die down a little bit tonight, but the temperatures are going to tumble down to around 10 below zero. Some of us could fall considerably lower than that if skies are clear long enough. And then during the day on Saturday, we should have at least some sun to start the day off, although I think the clouds are going to be shifting back in as we head throughout the day. And then our attention turns to Sunday. You've probably been hearing about a big storm that is going to be going on in the central and southern U.S. And we talked about it yesterday. The computer model's kind of creeping that a little farther to the north. So it appears right now like we could be on the northern fringe of this storm on Sunday. We're talking 1 to 3, 2 to 4 inches of snow in the area. Notice it departs as we head throughout Sunday evening. So today's forecast. Plan on a mix of clouds and sun. Might be a stray snowflake. It is a windy day. The thermometer will say for a high 2 below zero, but plan on wind chills down around 20, 25 below zero at many times throughout the day. For tonight, we do have partly cloudy skies. Our low, it's not the wind chill, predicted to be around 12 below zero. The record low for tonight in Lansing, 14 below zero. That was set back in 1883, so we're going to be close to that. Here is a look at the 10-day forecast. Saturday, we're mostly cloudy. The wind's not quite as strong, but still, brutal wind chills. 8 are predicted highs Saturday. 14 on Sunday. Looks like we get some snow on Sunday. Monday, highs are in the teens. Notice high temperatures in the teens Monday through Friday of next week, and maybe we struggle back up to around 20 degrees 1 week from tomorrow.